Hello everyone, I am Neha Ghaute and welcome to our channel Electronics with Neha. Today's our topic is truth table of the different number system. This is the very simple and short video. In this video we see only relation between the different number system in the truth table form. In last one of the video we seen different number system and the relation between them. I will mention the previous video link in our description box. Please check it. In this video, we covered the types of number system, just overview of number system because we already seen in the number system in previous video. Then truth table of the number system and relationship between different number system by truth table. Let's start our topic. This is the just overview of the number system. Number system, that means it is the representation of number, or we say that it is the set of different digits or symbols. Different types of the number systems are available in digital electronic system. First is the decimal number system, second is the binary number system, third is the octal number system, and fourth is the hexadecimal number system. We know that the base of the decimal number system is 10 and it consists 0 to 9 number. Base of the binary number system is 2, it consists 0 or 1. Base of the octal number system is 8, it consists 0 to 7 digits. And the base of the hexadecimal number is 16, it consists 0 to 15 number. Okay. See, first decimal number system. This is the truth table for the decimal number system. Decimal number system consists of 0 to 9 number and base is 10. So this is the decimal number 0 to 9. The value for decimal number is same as 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and the radix or base is 10 of each and every number. Okay. Then next, binary number system. This is the truth table for the different binary number system because binary number system represented in single bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit like that. Binary number consists of 0 to 1 number and base of the binary number is 2. This is the single bit binary number. Single bit binary number, that means they use only one variable. Consider A is the single bit, so A may be 0 or 1. The decimal value for this bit is 0 to 0, 1 to 1. That means 0 represent in binary is 0, 1 decimal number represent in binary number is 1. This is the truth table for the 2-bit binary number system. If we use the 2-bit binary number system, that means we require the 2 bits A and B. There is the 4 possibilities. Both numbers may be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in 2-bit binary number system, in decimal value 0 is represent 0, 0, 1 is represent 0, 1, 2 is represent 1, 0, and 3 is represent 1, 1. Same like that in 3-bit binary number system. 3-bit binary number system consists of 3 variables or 3 bits like A, B, C. This is our decimal number variable representation. In 3-bit binary number system, 0 is represented 0, 0, 0. 1 is represent 0, 0, 1. 2 is represent 0, 1, 0. 3 is represent 0, 1, 1. 4 is represent 1, 0, 0. 5 is represent 1, 0, 1. 6 is represent in binary 1, 1, 0. And 7 is represent in binary form 1, 1, 1 in the 3-bit number system. Then next, 4-bit representation of binary number system. 4-bit numbers, that means they consist of 4 variables A, B, C, D. That means it is the 16 possibilities are there. In the 4-bit binary number, 0 is represent 0, 0, 0. 1 is represent 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 is represent 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 is represent 0, 0, 1, 0. This is the positional value for this 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 like that. So all the decimal number represent in the 4 bit in this form. Say 7 is represent 0, 1, 1, 1. Same like that 10 is represent 1, 0, 1, 0. 11 is represent 1, 0, 1, 1. 12 is represent 1, 1, 0, 0. 13 is represent as 1, 1, 0, 1. 14 is represent 1, 1, 1, 0. And last of the possibility 15 is represented as in binary 1, 1, 1, 1. That means it is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2. When we solve this, it is all are 15 value. Next our number system is the octal number system. The base of the octal number system is 8 and also it uses the 8 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Octal number consists of only 3-bit binary number system. So octal number 0 represented in the 3-bit binary number system 0, 0, 0. 1 in octal number is 1 represented in binary 0, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. And 7 is 1, 1, 1. This is the represent or the truth table of the octal number system, because octal number system consists of 3-bit binary number, only 3-bit binary number, that means 0 to 7. And now the last number system is the hexadecimal number system. Again, hexadecimal number system use the 16 symbols 0 to 9 and A to F representations. That means we say that hexadecimal number system consists of number and also letters. Hexadecimal number system consists of 4-bit binary number system. In last slide we see the octal number system consists of 3-bit binary number system. In hexadecimal number system consists 4-bit binary number system. Let's see the truth table of the hexadecimal number system. It is the 4-bit binary number system. So A, B, C, D. This is the 4 variables. So 16 possibilities are there. Decimal value for 0 in hexadecimal value is 0 and represented in the binary value 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 to 9 numbers in the decimal value are same in the hexadecimal and also in the binary number. But after the 9 number, 10 is represented in hexadecimal A, binary number is same 10, 10. 11 represent in the hexadecimal system B, in binary system 1011. 12 is represented in hexadecimal C 1100. 13 is represented in hexadecimal D, in binary form 1101. In 14 hexadecimal value is E and the A, B, C, D is, that means in binary form 1110. And last of the number 15 in the decimal form in hexadecimal value is F and in binary representation 1111. This is the only relationship between different number system, like the different truth table of the different number system. Okay, thank you.